What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a YouTube video over Xcode. Make sure before you start this project, that you have the latest version. Mine is 10.1. Just be sure that you've downloaded the right version, just to make sure that it'll compile correctly with the projects. So here there's get started with the playground. There's create new Xcode project and clone an existing project. Today we're going to be doing create a new Xcode project. So click on create a new Xcode project. It's going to be a single view application. Just press next. You can name it. Well, we're going to be pretty much saying hello world, so hello world. Oops. Hello wolf. That'd be funny. Hello world. You can name it pretty much whatever you want. Organization name will be your name, and then your name with the bundle identifier, just like mine. Oh, dang it. Okay, so com.greg, it would be, if it was Jake Jason, it would be com.jakejason, or whatever it would be for you. Just make sure it's com dot and then the organization name. So here you have your language. Make sure it's Swift and not Objective-C. Make sure these two will usually be checked. Uncheck them because we're not going to need them. Then you can just go ahead and press next. For your team, you can create a team. All you have to do is, well, I'll just say none for this one if you don't have a team. In later videos, I'll show you how to create a team or a personal team if you want. So just set team to none. Then you're going to save it. You can save it to pictures, maybe. Nope. We'll just say code one. And create. Now here's the editor. We will not be spending any time in here. It looks very crazy. The one thing that you could do you could come up here where it says display name and just say hello world if you want. And then you're going to come over here where it says main.storyboard. You're going to click on that. So here is where you're going to be doing the most of your interface editing, pretty much where your person who sees your app is going to be looking. They're not going to be seeing code. They're just going to be seeing, your app. And this view controller is the interface of where you're going, where you and your, I guess, people that are playing it are going to see it. So first what we're going to do is we are going to come right up here to the top right and click this button right here that says library. Kind of looks like the home button of an older phone. You can type in the search bar label like it was already up there. Click label, click and drag over to the center. Now you have a label. See? Perfect. Easy. Now you can come, let's see, you want to come over here to the right, and you're going to click on, oh wait, hold on. First you have to click on the label. Make sure it's outlined in blue. I'm starting to forget stuff. Click on this arrow that's pointing down, and then this is pretty much where you're going to be editing the label. Text, plain, don't pick attributed. That's not what you want for now. We'll just do plain. You can type pretty much anything you want. We'll just do hello world. Perfect. And then you can click and drag it and center it wherever you want, which is very easy and simple, and that's why Xcode has created this very easy interface to build apps with. Color, we can do blue for the text color. You can do custom color. If you click here, you have all of these custom colors you can change: saturation, brightness, hue. It's pretty cool. We'll go back to, oh my bad, we'll just go back gray. Yep, simple. Now there's your there's your text. It's very simple. Now if you want to make it bigger, you come over here, you'll come to the font size to the right. You click on the font size. You can go custom, you can go family, and this family is all of what's the word? I guess different texture types of text you can do. I forgot what it is called. Anyway, so let's see. Let's do a little bit bold here. We'll do chalkboard. Yeah, just like that. Come over here to the size. You can change the size. We'll go 25, and then you can come over here and widen it, and it'll fit right there. Let's resize it so you can click and drag to your size that you want. And there is Hello World. Let's bring it down a little bit. Perfect. Now there's Hello World. Now what you can also do is you can click on the view controller. Let's see here. Okay, so pretty much if you just click right on the white, or your background I guess, and click the arrow going down, you can change the background to red, any color you want. It could be white, I guess that color, orange if you wanted. The tint, I wouldn't really worry about it. I mean, it doesn't really seem like it changes anything anyway. I mean, it is a tint of a color. So anyway, so here's Hello World. Now what you can do here is come over up to the top left and hit the play button. Let it run, and it should be done. It will also bring up the simulator, obviously. That's what Xcode comes with. A very nice and unique iPhone simulator. Alright, and now it's opening the app. Okay, and there's Hello World. Now I know what you're thinking. That was too easy, but that's just how Xcode made it. Also, it's kind of it doesn't look right. It's out of line. So what we do, out of here, we click on Xcode again. Up here, right by the play button, you have the simulator. You want to make sure that the simulator, so this is iPhone 8, you want to make sure the simulator is set as the display view controller. So what I mean is the display view controller is set on view as iPhone 8. Okay, you can go to device, iPhone XR, iPad, you name it, it's there. Orientation, portrait, landscape, mine's going to be a portrait. So you just want to make sure that as you view it, you also want to view it in the iPhone 8 in the simulator for now as a beginner. Now let's see how that loads up this time. It should load up a little bit faster. Computer's a little bit slow today. But yeah, you can scroll through the video just to get back to the beginner parts, and you can go through the video just to get past this slow stuff if you want. Alright, it's open, and here we are. Hello world. Okay, very simple. It is lined up again. What we can also do, if you wanted to add another label, see how Xcode automatically lines it up for you? That's amazing. Let's add just some lines, I guess. Do that. Hello world. And we can add one more. Let's see. Let me just do this again. Looks like this one's going to be a little bit longer. Come on. Computer slow. Okay, and then we can recenter this right there. Perfect. Now if we run it again, iPhone 8, build succeeded, and it pretty much just refreshes it. And there you go, hello world. Now you can, this is probably the easiest thing you can do. I mean, there's tons of easy things you could do with Xcode, but this is just another one of the simple things you can do. And speaking of which, you can play around with the simulator. You can click the home button down here, and you can see, I mean, it's a legit simulator. Let's see here. Oh, like, but yeah, I mean, it's really cool. I would also advise you to take a Udemy online course just to help you out with this. It helped me so much, and I'm really blessed with those possibilities to get it done. So I will be putting out future videos on Xcode. If you guys would like me to try to do any videos on something that you might want, I could see about it.